Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a mixed grammar and vocabulary quiz. Let's begin. Question 1. Neither the pilot nor the passengers dash aware of the technical issue. The correct option is were. Neither the pilot nor the passengers were aware of the technical issue. Question 2. If she dashed the train earlier, she wouldn't have missed the interview. The correct option is C. Had caught. If she had caught the train earlier, she wouldn't have missed the interview. Question 3. I wish I dashed that message before sending it. The correct option is A. Had checked. I wish I had checked that message before sending it. Question 4. Not only the musicians but also the audience dash excited about the concert. The correct option is B. Is. Not only the musicians but also the audience is excited about the concert. Question 5. The manager said you dash him tomorrow morning. The correct option is B. Will call. The manager said you will call him tomorrow morning. Question 6. By the time we reached the stadium, the game dash. The correct option is C. Had already started. By the time we reached the stadium, the game had already started. Question 7. Neither of the restaurants dash open on Fridays. The correct option is A. Is. Neither of the restaurants is open on Fridays. Question 8. If only the driver dashed more careful, the accident would have been avoided. The correct option is C. Had been. If only the driver had been more careful, the accident could have been avoided. Question 9. It's high time the company dash new technology. The correct option is A. Adopted. It's high time the company adopted new technology. Question 10. The police dash questioning two suspects after the robbery. The correct option is B. R. The police are questioning two suspects after the robbery. Question 11. Hardly had the teacher begun the lesson, dash the fire alarm rang. The correct option is B. When? Hardly had the teacher begun the lesson when the fire alarm rang. Question 12. If I dash you, I would not post that online. The correct option is C. Were. If I were you, I would not post that online. Question 13. Neither of the players dashed the match yesterday. The correct option is A. Finished. Neither of the players finished the match yesterday. Question 14. He suggested that she dash a notebook to the meeting. The correct option is C. Bring. He suggested that she bring a notebook to the meeting. Question 15. I prefer reading novels dash watching TV. The correct option is A. 2. I prefer reading novels to watching TV. Question 16. She is one of those athletes who always dash their best. The correct option is B. Give. She is one of those athletes who always give their best. Question 17. She has worked in this hospital dash 15 years. The correct option is B. 4. She has worked in this hospital for 15 years. Question 18. Unless he dash a passport, he cannot apply for the visa. The correct option is C. Has. Unless he has a passport, he cannot apply for the visa. Question 19. Each of the paintings dash insured for a large amount. The correct option is A. Is. Each of the paintings is insured for a large amount. Question 20. Scarcely had the plane landed, dash the passengers began to clap. The correct option is C. When. Scarcely had the plane landed when the passengers began to clap. That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new. I'll see you next time. Bye.